Good morning, children. God bless you all. Now, yesterday I explained you borrowing sums given on page number 75 and 76 of your maths reader book. And today I'll be teaching you word problem of subtraction. This work is already sent to you on 21st of April. Hope you must have copied this in your maths CW notebook. Those who have not copied it, copy it today. Okay? What you have to do is draw the margin in your maths notebook and copy these sums. Now, the first word problem goes like this. A shopkeeper had 96 chairs. A shopkeeper had 96 chairs. He sold 56 chairs. What he did? He sold 56 chairs. Out of 96 chairs, he sold 56 chairs. How many chairs were left with him? The question is, how many chairs were left with him? When you read a sum, there is a clue whether this sum is of addition or subtraction. In this sum, when you see the word left, how many chairs were left with him? It means this sum is of subtraction. You have to minus the smaller number from the greater number. So the solution goes like this. 96 chairs minus 56 chairs. This is the ones column and this is the tens column. When you minus the ones column, 6 minus 6 will give you 0. And when you minus the tens column, 9 minus 5 will give you 4. So the answer to this question, how many chairs were left with him, is 40 chairs. So when you minus 56 from 96, you get 40. So the answer to this question is 40 chairs were left with the shopkeeper. Now the second sum is, there are 99 TVs in a shop. So in a shop there are 99 TV sets are there. 68 TVs are sold, out of which 68 TV sets were sold. How many TVs are left to be sold? Again, you can see the word left written here. It means again this is the sum of subtraction. So you have to minus 68 from 99. So the solution to this sum goes like this. 99 TVs minus 68 TVs. So this is again the ones column and this is the tens column. When you minus the ones column, 9 minus 8 will give you 1. And 9 minus 6 will give you 3. So the answer to this question, how many TVs are left to be sold? The answer to this question is 31 TVs are left to be sold. So these are the two sums which you have to copy in your Maths 1 CW notebook. Okay, now we will do the sums given on page 77 of your reader book. The first sum on page 77 is already done for you. There are 52 students in a class. How many are there? There are 52 total students in a class. If the number of boys is 28, how many girls are there? So out of these 52 students, there are 28 boys. So they are asking how many girls are there. So what you have to do in this is you have to minus 28 from 52 students and the number of girls can be find out. When you minus 28 from 52, this is the ones column, this is the tens column. This is the smaller number, so you can't minus 8 out of 2. So you have to borrow 1 from here. When you borrow 1 from here, this 5 becomes 4 and this becomes 12. 12 minus 8 will give you 4 and 4 minus 2 will give you 2. Okay. Moving on to the second sum. A shopkeeper had 96 chairs. He sold 56 chairs. How many chairs were left with him? This is the sum we have already done in Maths 1 CW notebook. So this sum goes like this. 96 minus 56. This will give you 40 chairs. 6 minus 6 is 0 and 9 minus 5 is 4. Moving on to the third sum. There are 99 TVs in a shop. 68 TVs are sold. How many TVs are left to be sold? Again, this was the question we have already done in Maths 1 CW notebook. It goes like this. 99 TVs minus 68 TVs. 9 minus 8 will give you 1 and 9 minus 6 will give you 3. So 31 TVs are left to be sold. The fourth sum, there are 98 mathematics books in a library. In a library, there are 98 maths books. Out of these books, 41 books are issued to the students. Now, out of these 98 books, 41 books are given to the students. How many books are left in the library? See the word left. They are asking out of 98, 41 books were given to the students. So, how many books are left in the library? So, this sum will be done like this: 98 books minus 41 books which were given to the students. 98 books were there in the library, out of which 41 books were issued to the students. So when you minus 1 from 8, 8 minus 1 will give you 7, 9 minus 4 will give you 5. So when you minus 41 out of 98, the answer comes to 57. So now there are 57 books left in the library. So the first sum is already done for you. These are the three sums which you need to do on page number 77 of your maths reader book. We will cut these three sums. We won't be doing these sums. Hope you understood the word problems of subtraction. The two sums you have to do in the Maths 1 CW notebook. Okay. Tomorrow we will take some other topic. Till then, be good. Listen to your parents. Study well. Practice these sums in your rough notebook. Maintain social distance and keep watching the videos sent by the school every day. Thank you.